Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to get Coinbase Pro transaction history. You can't directly view your entire transaction history within the Coinbase Pro application or web interface. However, you can easily do it using the Coinbase app. Launch open the Coinbase application from your app drawer and make sure to sign in to your account. Once you're signed in from the main homepage, click on the waffle menu at the top left corner. In the expanded option, scroll down and click on Taxes. Select Documents from the top of the screen. Scroll down and get to this Coinbase Pro Statements section. Click on Visit Statements and then scroll down and get to the Generate Custom Report section. Select your report type, portfolio, and account type from the options. Make sure that you choose these following options as I am choosing on the screen. Now, go to the date area and click the drop-down. Select the desired date range and choose your format. Make sure to choose CSV and click on Generate. Right after you do that, you will be taken to this website. Simply click on the download button and you will be able to download your Coinbase Pro transaction history in no time. That's how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.